The thermostat, red arrow, is located on the top of the water pump between the cylinder head, yellow arrow, and the power steering reservoir, green arrow. Once the car is cold, begin by removing the cap on the coolant reservoir to release any residual pressure, red arrow. Remove the clamp and large hose coming out of the top of the thermostat housing, red arrow. There are three 10mm bolts holding the top of the thermostat to the housing. These can stick a little as coolant can get in them and corrode them. Remove the bolts and wiggle the top from the housing. Use care not to damage the thermostat switch beside the lid. You can now separate the lid, red arrow, from the housing, yellow arrow, revealing the thermostat. Pull the thermostat, red arrow, up and out of the housing, yellow arrow. You should clean the contact surfaces of the housing of any gunk or corrosion. Always install a new seal or gasket, red arrow, even if you are reusing the thermostat. Installation is the reverse of removal, and don't forget to replace any coolant you may have lost. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.